In today's video, I'm upgrading my Red Cat RDS controller from the stock RCR-2CE to a FlySky FS-G7P. My major reason personally for upgrading was basically ease of use features like having a controller screen to easily adjust parameters and the dedicated knob to adjust the gyro gain on the fly. I've seen that upgrading a controller can improve your handling, but I felt like the stock RDS controller did the same job. I just wanted a screen and adjustable knob. And at the time of recording, A-Main Hobbies has the controller for $93 plus shipping, but I was able to find it from a verified seller on Amazon Prime for only 69 bucks, so I snagged that deal. Taking the controller out of the box, this was my first time seeing the controller in person, and I think it has a great look and feel in the hand. I really like the carbon fiber texture look for the grip. The screen is controlled with a joystick, 4 directions, up, down, left, and right, and then the center select button. On the physical controller, it has the on-off switch, throttle trigger, and steering wheel. Additionally, it has 2 adjustable knobs, 5 clickable buttons, and 1 switch. The controller takes 4 AA batteries, and it comes with a FlySky FS-R7P transmitter, which has 7 dedicated channels, which is way more than enough for me. Right now, I technically only need 3 channels for the ESC, servo, and gyro gain, but in the future, I can use the available channels for things like lights, turn signals, and other tricked out electronics. The controller has a good feel in the hands. I like the larger presence and a bigger screen. It has a good balance between the top section and the bottom with batteries in the base. I think proportions are all well balanced. The foam wheel is a nice addition. I might actually take it off and upgrade to a metal one, but I'm not 100% sure yet. The screen has several modes and a lot to explore, not just for RC drift cars, but a lot of RC hobbies. As an extra built-in feature, it has a timer on the running screen, and I've really liked using this to keep track of how long my battery packs last. I even assigned one of the extra buttons on the controller to start and stop the timer. Assigning all the buttons as well are very easy and straightforward. If you need a tutorial on how to do that, just drop a comment and I'll make it. Overall, the controller is very straightforward and user-friendly interface. I have had no issues using it after over a month now. Making small adjustments and double checking parameters has been much appreciated, and I'm glad I made the upgrade. I'm going to leave the video with some casual GoPro footage from my local RC drift track after upgrading the controller. The Red Cat RDS has a gyro upgrade to the Yokomo DP-V4, but the rest of the electronics are stock, servo, ESC, and motor. Slight tune to the alignment setup from the stock specs. And the tires I'm running right now are DS Comp 3 LF3s. Like, comment, subscribe, but most importantly, never stop evolving.
got me locked in on cup though. Cocaine in my nose, yeah, got rose in my cup though. Started climbing my pole, got me locked in on cup though. Cocaine in my nose, yeah,